When you think about just how exponentially, even now, cloud adoption is occurring and taking place for our customer base, and they're using multiple clouds, multiple data lakes, be it from AWS and Azure to Snowflake and Databricks and more, and the fact that these providers have hundreds of services that our customers are keen to adopt to solve for their business needs, regardless of the industry, whether they're in finance, whether they're in healthcare, or others. It's imperative that they actually focus on their business needs and they're able to use the services that they want. To that end, oftentimes we found security teams lag in terms of being able to detect or support the adoption of a service from a security, protection, detection, and response perspective. As such, it's one of our missions, it's one of our milestones, really, to be able to speed up the utilization of all of the broader cloud and data technologies that exist for our customers. To that end, we've actually built a scalable product that is able to support and provide coverage for all of these clouds and data lakes. So you can seamlessly get effectively detections, coverage, and shortened response times, regardless of the fact that they keep releasing new services, your teams use services, and now we're able to provide real-time coverage. So that's very important. That aside, when you think about generative AI, and that's something that we actually use to make that outcome possible and accomplish that milestone, it's very important to us to actually be able to leverage our talents and capabilities in the field of security and generative AI to bring those that fruition, to bring those efficiencies, to bring those savings to the market. So when you think about generative AI for translating your questions in English to, say, variants of SQL, so you can actually improve detection engineering and coverage. When you think about proactive threat hunting and the ability for generative AI to look for threats that humans may not be able to think about or conceive due to lack of time, experience, other factors. When you think about the sheer time savings that we can accomplish through generative AI and prioritizing vulnerabilities and misconfigurations and what we should fix first. Just think about this for a minute, right? All of this, and you think about applying it to tens, hundreds, potentially thousands of businesses worldwide. Just imagine the efficiency, the time savings, and the cost savings that we can actually help businesses realize. And we're very, very passionate about that. And along those lines, I think I'd like to mention the third point, which is, yes, there are many security players out there in the market. There are many providers of observability, of CSPM, or other monitoring and response capabilities. However, not all markets are actually served equally. We look at the Middle East, where there are concerns and the importance of data sovereignty and privacy. We look at parts of Africa and Asia where there are cost concerns and folks cannot spend several millions of dollars on security solutions. We believe in tapping into a lot of these unserved and underserved markets and actually being able to empower them. And I think that's very, very important to us. And overall, I'd say these three different factors come together in terms of our mission statement of providing AI-first solutions that are really intuitive, dynamic, and most importantly, cost-effective.